Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I'm here with one of my dolls and her name is Coral. It is an absolutely gorgeous day outside, perfect for the Dolly Nature 5-day challenge hosted by Little Ohana. But what should we do outside? I know, let's go climb a tree. Thanks for joining us today. If you'd like to join in on the challenge, you can do it whenever. Just use the hashtag Dolly Nature 5-Day Challenge and tag Little Ohana. And use that same hashtag to check out all the other participants. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette, along with Coral, signing out for now. Bye-bye.